Want to make perfect chicken breast? Let me show you how to get juicy golden chicken in your air fryer every single time. Start by patting your chicken dry. Pound down the thick end so it cooks evenly. In a bowl, mix your spices with about 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Rub that mix all over the chicken. Get it coated. Now, into a preheated air fryer at 380 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook it for 8 minutes, give it a flip, and then go another 10 to 12 minutes. Now, here's the pro move. Don't guess, measure. Use a meat thermometer and pull the chicken when it's 165 degrees Fahrenheit at the thickest part. That's how you lock in the juice. And there it is. Perfect for a salad, tacos, or like mine with my favorite 90-second rice. Once you try this, you'll never overcook another chicken breast again. By the way, this is the thermometer I use. Super fast, super accurate. Grab one with the link in the description and it'll change your air fryer game. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button before your next meal and check out my air fryer chicken playlist for more easy air fryer wins.